Welcome to AI Finance Mastermind, your trusted source for deep dives into the intersection of wealth, AI, and financial power. In this video, we're unveiling how the world's richest entrepreneurs are leveraging artificial intelligence to not just stay ahead, but to expand their dominance in 2025. From Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos to Larry Page, Mark Zuckerberg, and Jensen Huang, these tech billionaires are rewriting the rules of wealth using next-general AI tools. Elon Musk is deeply integrating artificial intelligence across his companies. At Tesla, AI is central to full self-driving technology, where neural networks process real-time data from millions of vehicles. The Dojo supercomputer powers the training of these models, giving Tesla a competitive advantage in autonomous driving. Beyond Tesla, xAI is Musk's answer to OpenAI, built to develop truth-seeking AI models that emphasize transparency and multi-step reasoning. Neuralink uses AI to decode brain signals, merging neuroscience with machine learning. Starlink employs AI for satellite coordination and bandwidth optimization, making global internet coverage more efficient. Jeff Bezos has embedded AI across Amazon's ecosystem. Machine learning algorithms refine product recommendations, manage inventory, and optimize logistics. Amazon Go stores use AI-powered computer vision to eliminate cashiers. Oz is the backbone of AI computing for thousands of companies. Bezos Expeditions invests in AI startups tackling predictive medicine, logistics automation, and robotic process optimization. In space, Blue Origin uses AI for flight planning and autonomous landing. In biotech, Bezos backs Altos Labs, aiming to use AI to understand cellular regeneration and aging. Larry Page and Sergey Brin continue to benefit from Alphabet's massive AI ecosystem. DeepMind achieved scientific breakthroughs like AlphaFold, which predicts protein structures and accelerates drug discovery. Google Brain drives the evolution of LLMs, powering Bard and Workspace tools. Waymo is redefining transportation with fully autonomous taxi fleets. Verily, Alphabet's healthcare initiative, applies AI to medical records and wearables to deliver precision healthcare. Page also funds flying car startups like Kitty Hawk, experimenting with AI in aerial mobility. Mark Zuckerberg leads Meta's transformation through AI. Recommendation systems, moderation tools, and ad delivery rely on machine learning. Meta is developing open-source models like Llama to enable decentralized AI development. Reality Labs integrates AI into VR and AR, creating responsive digital environments. The Metaverse will rely on AI to generate environments, simulate avatars, and personalize experiences in real time. Meta AI is also training large models for multimodal understanding, bringing together text, vision, and sound into unified systems. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, fuels all of this. NVIDIA's GPUs are the foundation of the AI revolution. Every major language model, autonomous system, and scientific simulation relies on NVIDIA hardware. Huang's roadmap includes domain-specific chips, like Grace for AI inference and Hopper for training. NVIDIA's CUDA ecosystem and Omniverse enable developers to build digital twins and simulate real-world operations. Huang has positioned NVIDIA as not just a hardware supplier, but a full-stack AI infrastructure leader. These billionaires are not just users of AI, they're shaping its future. They control the compute, NVIDIA, AWS, the data, Google, Amazon, Meta, and the models, OpenAI, xAI, DeepMind. They are forming closed ecosystems that consolidate power and reshape industries. They have access to private datasets, exclusive research teams, and early insights that give them massive strategic advantages. These platforms create feedback loops. The more data they have, the better their models perform, and the more dominant they become. Their investments stretch into every major industry. In energy, Musk uses AI to manage decentralized solar grids. In space, AI drives navigation and mission planning. In healthcare, AI detects cancer, decodes DNA, and predicts disease progression. In finance, AI algorithms trade billions in milliseconds and build custom portfolios based on live risk profiles. In manufacturing, robotic systems learn and adapt in real time. In education, AI tailors learning paths to students' strengths and weaknesses. The AI economy is already here, and it's scaling. But there are risks. These billionaires operate in regulatory gray zones. Their models may reinforce biases, misuse data, or outpace human understanding. There is growing concern about labor displacement as AI automates white-collar jobs. Governments are racing to catch up, but regulation lags behind innovation. Ethics boards and safety frameworks are still forming. Meanwhile, these elites build vertically integrated ecosystems that make them not just wealthy, but politically influential. Still, everyday investors are not without options. You can invest in infrastructure, NVIDIA, AMD, TSMC Cloud, Amazon, Microsoft Azure SaaS AI, Palantir, C3, Snowflake ETFs, Global X Robotics and AI ETF, ARK Innovation ETF. You can also use AI tools to level the playing field. ChatGPT and Claude for research, Perplexity and Bard for market tracking, AlphaSense for business insights, robo-advisors for automated investing. You can even build income streams. Use Jasper or Copy.ai for AI marketing. Build digital products with Midjourney and DALL-E. Launch YouTube channels or blogs using AI-generated scripts and thumbnails. In 2025, AI is no longer just a tool, it's an empire builder. And the richest people in the world are using it to protect and grow their wealth faster than ever. The power is shifting toward those who own the data, the infrastructure, and the intelligence. But you don't need to be a billionaire to take part in the revolution. You need to be smart, informed, and proactive. Subscribe to AI Finance Mastermind for more exclusive insights. Comment below. Which billionaire do you think will dominate AI in the next decade? Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions.